Hello students, in this video, I will explain money market equilibrium and derivation of LM curve. This is part of ISLM model, which is considered as post-Keynesian economics. In panel A of the diagram, we are deriving equilibrium in money market, and in panel B, right side panel, we will derive LM curve. So we have money supply curve, which is this line. Okay, vertical straight line curve is our money supply curve. Then in panel B, we assume income is Y1, OY1 is income. At this level of income, prevalent money demand curve is L1. This L1 curve is prevalent money demand curve. Wherever money supply and money demand are intersecting with each other, we define point as equilibrium point. Accordingly, we derive interest rate as I1. Money supply is fixed. For any particular period of time, supply of money is fixed. We are showing money balances, real money balances, both supply and demand on x-axis, and we will be determining interest rate. So with money demand and money supply curve, E1 is equilibrium, and we derived accordingly interest rate we arrived at I1, and this I1 interest rate we have to continue in panel B. So we arrive at E1 point. Next, we assume income बढ़ेगा अगर इकोनॉमी में, तो this rise is shown by new point. Y2 ये नया income है. Rise in income has resulted into shift of money demand curve, which we show in panel A. अगर money supply fix रहा for any particular period, money demand curve is L2. Accordingly, E2 becomes point of equilibrium. With E2 equilibrium, I2 is new rate of interest. I state this also in panel B. With Y2 income and I2 as new interest, we arrive at new point, a common point of both E2. अब अगर हम E1 और E2 को ज्वाइन कर दें और लाइन एक्सटेंड कर दें, we will get LM curve. In panel A, we arrive at equilibrium in money market, which is at E1 point and E2 point. Equilibrium कैसे मिला? Money demand intersecting with money supply curve. Okay, corresponding points are shown in panel B. So we join these two, E1 and E2, and we derive LM curve. Okay, so this is derivation of LM curve. Now you will see continuation is along vertical axis, and so title of vertical axis same है, interest rate, interest rate. After considering derivation of LM curve, we consider slope of LM curve. What is the slope? It is sloping upwards, right? Upward sloping है. क्यों ऐसा हुआ? इनकम बढ़ा, इनकम बढ़ने के साथ इंटरेस्ट रेट बढ़ा. Okay, what is the reason behind? We have seen in earlier slide. Income is rising, income rises, but money supply constant है. With rise in income, money demand rises. In market, if supply of any good is constant but demand rises, तो क्या होता है? Shortage and rise in price ना. वैसे ही यहाँ पर money supply is constant but money demand is rising. That results into rise in interest rate. Okay, so interest rate rises. So इस तरह से ये curve upward sloping होगा because positive relation is seen. इनकम बढ़ रहा है, साथ इंटरेस्ट रेट बढ़ रहा है. So curve is sloping upwards. Next we consider slope of LM curve. के बाद shift in LM curve. LM0 ये ओरिजिनल LM curve है. When we are moving from one point to another point on single LM curve, we assume money supply to be constant. Only money demand change हो रहा है. But in economy, money supply is not constant. Money supply change होता है. So changes in money supply actually will lead to shift in LM curve. तो जब money supply rise होता है, LM curve will shift to right, and fall in money supply will lead to shift of LM curve to left. Okay, so the reason behind this shift is changes in money supply. Now we have separately considered goods market and money market. So we have derived IS curve and LM curve. In my earlier video, you have seen IS curve derivation, goods market equilibrium. In current video, we have considered money market equilibrium and we have derived LM curve. What we will do now, we will take these two together. Now you know that IS curve is sloping downwards. LM curve is sloping upwards. Each point on IS curve indicates that goods market is in equilibrium. Each point on IS curve means goods market is in equilibrium. Each point on LM curve means money market is in equilibrium. We have one single point which is lying on both IS and also LM. So it is a point where both the markets are simultaneously in equilibrium. This is where we are arriving at a simultaneous equilibrium in both goods market and money market. Okay, this is attained when interest rate is I0 and income is Y0. So ये simultaneous equilibrium हुआ in both the markets. With this, we have completed ISLM model. थैंक यू।